let's try this video again, okay? This is, surface area of a cone. If you remember correctly, our formula is pi r times the slant height plus pi r square, which is the bottom of the circle. Okay, so pi times 3 times the slant height is 15 plus pi times the radius, which is 3 square, excuse me. We put all that in our calculator, we should get 169.6. Alright, volume. Volume is equal to area of the base times the height. So it's 11 times 7, because this is a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is base times height, okay? We get 77. And then now we have to multiply it by the height. 77 times 4 should equal to 308. Okay, volume of a prism. Volume is equal to base times height. Okay, this time the base is a triangle. Okay, which is base times height divided by 2. Base of the triangle times the height of the triangle divided by 2. That's equal to 1. 1 times the height of the prism equals 17. Okay, the last part is, now the next part, we have two shapes, okay? We have two rectangular prisms. So this is the first one is the 8 times 5 for the bottom of the, for the base. We're still using the same formula. Okay, so 40, and then we multiply it by 3, so we get 120. Now for this one, the base is 2 and 5, so 2 times 5, which is equal to 10 times 6. Which is the height. Okay, 120 plus 60 equals 180. Too far. Okay, volume of a same equation, base times height. Okay, so this time it's a circle. Pi times, this is the radius, so it's 2.5 square. Okay, we do that. $19.6. Okay, now we have to multiply by the height. So we get to 35.6. Volume of a square pyramid. This is the same idea, except for a pyramid we divide by 3. So area of the base, 12 times 12 is 144. So we multiply by the height, divided by 3, we do that, we get 480. Remember, I got a calculator in my head, you guys don't. So use your trusty friend, the calculator. Okay, 17. 5. Okay. Remember, base times height divided by 3. This is a circle, so we do pi r square, which is pi times 5 square. So this is 78. .53, okay, times the height, which is 14, divided by 3. I can't do this in my head, so I'm going to use my trusty calculator. And I get 366.5. Okay, now the circle problems. Okay, all you really need to know is the line. It's like you set up the equation, you multiply what's on the line with what's on, and let it equal to what's on the other line. So 10 times x is equal to 8 times 15. So I have 10x is equal to 120 divided by 10. I get x is equal to 12. Okay, here, instead of everything inside the circle, I have something on the outside. Okay, first we have the label. CD is 8 and this is 6. Okay, we multiply this right here by what's on the outside. We multiply what we add here to that. Okay, what's on the outside. So I have 8 times x plus 8, and we let them equal to each other. 6 times 20 plus 6. I do this, I get 156. I get 8x plus 64. I subtract 64 from both sides. Do the math. 8x is equal to 92. So x divided by 8. So x is equal to 11.5. It's set up this the same way. Okay. There's nothing in the inside, so it's just x times x is equal to 5 times 5 plus 17. We put that all in the calculator, we get 110 x squared. So remember, if it's x squared, we get the square root, and we get 10.49. Last problem. Okay, I got the big arc and I got the small arc. 96, 67. This is, remember, it's 1/2 big minus small. Is equal to A. Okay, so A is equal to 1/2. The big one's 96 minus 67. You put all of that in the calculator, you get 14.5.